What's up, my subscribers? You are new, welcome. And if you don't know me, I'm Nicholas Dongo, and I'm an ambassador of special needs. I advocate for special needs to have right in education, right in going places, right to include in birthday parties or anything in function, so they cannot be limited, or they said you cannot do this, you cannot do that. So today's video, I want to show you how we do catering, and I welcome them, and we served 100 people. Serve them too. I'll show you in this video. So enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share.